Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to enable dark mode on Google Docs on computer. So this is very simple and straightforward. Go over to Chrome Web Store, which is chromewebstore.google.com, and then in this search bar type Google Docs dark mode. And now pick this first one, dark mode Google Docs, and press add to Chrome. Now press add extension right here. This will add this extension to your Chrome web browser. And now, as you can see, it is installed and here in the menu. So you can go back to your documents and voila, they are in dark mode. It is really simple. You can also click right here to extensions and right here to pin it so it doesn't go away, and you have it available right here. So just click on it and you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, sepia, grayscale, whatever you like. You can just turn it off right here if you want, or turn it on. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.